Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we'll be picking few cards from different decks. Taurus, this is for your moon energies, guys, and this for your love guidance. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. If you are interested, you can watch that reading. So we have mending. So this card just means that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, you are moving towards that healing phase. Maybe you have faced a lot of arguments or stressful circumstances. You are healing. Each time we are hurt, we allow ourselves to just pass through without any understanding, and we have so much unwanted burden in our heart, guys. So the very thing that we need to heal from, all that pain and memories, are just chained to us because we do not overcome all those we have in our heart. So this card just means that we are moving towards healing the wounds we have and reclaiming our own energy and power. So this is the time to forgive and release all that negativity, to set ourselves free today. So whatever was holding us back, chaining us to all those negative things we had. Same way in our relationship, guys. If you want to change, if you want to free yourself, you need to go for forgiveness. Whether you are away from this person or whether you are with them, you both are experiencing the effects of hurt and pain. So even if you are not aware of it, this energy needs to be cleared, guys. Maybe you are not aware of this other person's hurt. Even they are hurt, just like you feel sad and you are in pain. The same way, even that other person is in lot of pain. And what you need to do to bridge this gap you both have between each other. Closing your heart is not the answer, guys, to heal this wound you have. So you just need to ask yourself, what would love do? If you truly love this person, what will you do? You will forgive, and honest redress is what is going to heal this relationship, heal you in this difficult circumstance, Taurus. So it may be their mistakes or your mistakes, whatever it was. You just need to forgive, forget and move on, move forward in your life, Taurus. So in your work circumstances also, guys, maybe you did something wrong or someone did something wrong and there was some inevitable circumstances because of that. Something went bad, maybe some loss or failures, whatever it is. But today it is time for you to forgive yourself and the other person. You should not blame them and start over again. So if you can make amends, if you are the one who has committed this mistake, you must tell the other person sorry and move on. Maybe your business partner or people you work with. Or if it is their mistake, you must forgive those who have taken advantage of you. Maybe they have wronged you and they are the reason for you being in this circumstance. So you must let go and learn from this situation, guys. And that way you will move forward positively towards prosperity and abundance. And when you see your circumstance from a different perspective, you will learn the lessons you need to learn, guys. Taurus. So for your moon energies, we have end of tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. So some good changes are coming your way. Maybe you have dreams and goals. Maybe we just saw that you want to move forward with the previous card. Something positive to happen. You want to just move forward, let go of your past. But whatever dreams you have, are you working towards that dreams? Are you making the necessary efforts? Maybe today you need to work a little more, guys. Be able to plan everything for yourself, maybe for your professional dreams to come true. Whether you are capable of that, whether you have those skills. And you need to face reality. Maybe you may have huge dreams, something beyond your limit. So you must make practical plans to achieve those dreams, whatever it may be. And whatever difficult circumstances you were seeing in your life, guys, all that rough time is coming to an end, Taurus. So you can be happy for that. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. So for your love guidance, we have vision. So with this card, in your circumstances, it just means that no matter what you are seeing things from a different perspective today, guys. Maybe understanding all these circumstances at a different level. Maybe grief or loss or sorrow, whatever it was you have experienced, you are able to grow from it. You are changing so much. You are evolving so much spiritually, and you are a better person today, and you understand everything from a different perspective. So today, angels or spirit guides, whatever you call them, guys, they are just drawn to you because you are growing so much, changing so much, and you are, maybe for some of you, I see you taking up some creative arts, guys, maybe singing or writing or even spiritual practice, whatever it may be. So you are just living your vision, maybe feeling confident no matter what, finding that balance and harmony no matter what your circumstances are, Taurus, because you feel that oneness of being truly happy in your heart of hearts. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Taurus, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your pick a card love reading today, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for you all. It says the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, in your personal life, or maybe in your work situation, you are doing a lot, maybe going through a lot for someone you love. Maybe you have sacrificed so much and you have faced your circumstances with that brave heart, and there is no one who knows that extent of your sacrifice, or the extent you have gone through, that pain and stress, worries for this person you love. And you have never told anyone about this uh, work you are doing. Maybe you are dedicated to something, that one pointed focus, just like a great scientist or great minds work with that passion to discover something. So you are doing something really passionate with that level of commitment, concentration, dedication, and that you are doing for someone you love. You are going out of the way to do that work. You need not worry, guys, because whatever we do with this level of dedication will never go for waste. So there will come a time when people will appreciate you, people you love, they will understand you, understand your passion. And though it may be perceived as madness today, something that need not be done, and even people may be really hostile towards you, but this passionate action on your part, or it may be someone in your life, they are going for that. So whatever it is, it will result in healing and great breakthroughs in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe today your sacrifice has no value, or there are no people to understand you, but there will come a time when people will appreciate your efforts, people will appreciate your courage and that focus you have, dedication you had today. So that is the energy, guys, with this card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, it says Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So in your circumstances, maybe whatever you are facing right now, it may be because of people keeping you away from some information, maybe some awareness. It may be something of someone's doing, maybe someone close to you. It may be a family member, or it may be even your person who loves you. So they are trying to keep away some truth because they feel that you may hurt yourself or you may worry yourself, and by doing that they are creating a very bad situation for you, because you do not know the truth and you don't know what you should or what you should not do, because you lack clarity. So this lack of clarity may be because of some people, because they are keeping something, some kind of vital information from you. And that is the reason you may not be able to overcome some difficult circumstances in your life, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation. These circumstances may be, guys. But very soon you will be able to overcome these challenges and you will know the truth, whatever you need to know. And when you know the truth, all the people around you, even they will realize their mistake, what has happened, and everyone will awaken. There is some kind of great emotional change coming up in your circumstances, guys. So time will tell you the truth today. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.